Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing fine in this pandemic. It's Mr. Anonymous here. Yeah, I know what you guys are wondering, why everything is black and white and just keep on rotating. So today we are gonna paint Moon Knight, as you have seen in the title of the video. So Moon Knight is basically a superhero. Oh wait, not a superhero, it's a vigilante, okay? And he's a quite weird character, okay? People compare him with Batman most of the times, but he's unique in one way compared to Batman. It's like basically what if Batman had multi personality disorder and then resurrected from death multiple times. So Moon Knight's comic appearances, he first appeared in Werewolf by Night. Yeah, Werewolf by Night, issue number 32, I think. Yeah, issue number 32, 1975. I forgot the month. So the first one who created him was Dong. Yeah, Doung, and the artist was Don Perlin. So Moon Knight, the story is like the alternative version. Okay, the counterpart of Moon Knight. It's basically Mark Spector. So this guy is a former boxer, a CIA agent. So his trip to Egypt, right? He'll be killed by one of his co-worker, and then like he'll be taken away. So he'll be placed in front of Egyptian god Khonshu. Yeah, Khonshu. Yeah, Khonshu. So Khonshu is basically god of moon and vengeance in Egypt. So that god will be like, okay, fine, I'll bring you back to life, but you should work as my avatar. Right? Like work as his presence in earth. So Mark will accept the deal, and then that's when he becomes, and then he'll be resurrected back to life, and then he'll return back to New York, and then he'll start going during night times as Moon Knight. So as you guys can see, Moon Knight is basically white and black. So you might ask, then why am I using silver? But right? Due to reflection, there'll be like white and black mixture. So you can see this is actually Mr. Moon Knight version of Moon Knight. Yeah, he has multiple versions. Uh, the powers of Moon Knight is, as I told you, his counterpart to Batman. So he pretty much possesses all the power Batman does. He's rich and he has like really high tech machineries, and his suit is made up of adamantium, and then he has insanely lot of durability. There was a time where he had superpowers. Like his superpower depends on the moon, the eclipse. So if it's a full moon, he'll be at his peak strength, and if it is like no moon, his strength will automatically decrease. It'll be normal human strength. But soon they just removed it, and then he's immune to all psychic abilities because he has multi-personality disorder. He has close to 10 multi-personality disorders, so that makes him immune to psychological issues. Look, his multi-personality disorders is like one is Mark, a CIA agent, and the other personality is Stephen Grant, a millionaire, and the other one is Jack Lockley. So Jack Lockley is like basically a taxi driver who just gets information from the underground and all those stuff. So this multiple and the billionaire Stephen Grant, this is one of his thing, like how Batman has Bruce Wayne, right? Similarly, Moon Knight has Stephen Grant. So this recent run, right? It's about the psychological state of Moon Knight. As I told you, he has multiple personality disorder. So this guy goes insane. It's really hard to control him. So uh, this story is just fully psychological related. If you have enough patience, you can read. But it's really good. It's like it begins. I don't want to spoil the story for you. It just begins him being in the mental hospital, more like an asylum. So he'll be getting visions about his past, right? When Kanju resurrected him from death, and all those stuff. So people were thinking. So after this, people were thinking he's just a normal guy with some psychological issues and all those stuff. But Marvel introduced new comics now, and that's super insane. Okay, like I didn't expect they would do this. After reading this, I was like, okay, fine, this guy is a mental guy, but who's trying to do good. That's all. That's all. That's all about him. But what happened was they actually introduced the moon god Kanju. Okay, and then Moon Knight will take down the entire Avengers. Yeah, he will take down the entire Avengers. First, what he'll do is he'll go defeat Iron Fist, and then he'll take the power of Iron Fist. You know that fist, the Fire Fist. So that's like how you get the Fire Fist is like you just kill a dragon, and then you'll get the five Iron Fist power. So he'll steal the Iron Fist power, and then who else confronts it? He steals the Spirit of Vengeance from Robbie Reynolds, not our traditional Ghost Rider, and he'll steal magical powers from Doctor Strange. So you can see that three necklaces, right? That's a hanging from Thor's hammer. So this every necklace is like each power. Okay, one is Iron Fist. The next one is Doctor Strange. And the next one is this guy. What is his name? Just a minute. Just a minute. Just let me finish this. Yeah, the other one is Robbie Ryan's Spirit of Vengeance. So and then he will go fight with Thor in the moon. Okay, uh, and then he'll defeat Thor eventually. I was really surprised how could he pull it out. But you know, right? Quan Chi is basically a god, just like Thor. So they'll just collect all this just to fight with one guy. Uh, his name was Mephisto. Okay, if you don't know who Mephisto is, that guy is okay. Marvel never said he's the Satan, but he is the Satan. Okay, like there are multiple versions. He's a version of Satan, but he's not Satan because they introduce one below all. So the one below all is basically an opposite version of one above all. So he should be Satan. Yeah, it's really a confusing time. So just to defeat Mephisto, he'll steal all the superheroes' powers and then give it to Moon God Quan Chi. It's really good. You know, this guy is a pretty interesting character. Like, he's a billionaire, just like Batman. But compared to Batman, his techs are pretty advanced, especially the Moon Quarter. Okay, that's the more advanced ship. Even Avengers don't have that. So yeah, that's it. As you guys can see, it's so simple, right? Now I'm just giving the slight lightning effect from the hammer. Yeah, I know, right? I'm making a lot of hammer artworks. Thor is my favorite. What do you expect me to do? Just like Donny Cates, I'm just gonna somehow add Thor in every drawing I could make. And you know why I'm like the little bit white dots, right? Just for the look, okay? The small light sprouting coming out of lightning. Yeah. So this version of Moon Knight is like he'll kill all his multi-personality disorder. You know, he as I told you, he had multiple versions, right? He'll kill off the three main versions. In the sense, he destroys the three version and then he realizes who he is. Yeah, he basically fights off his own disorder. That's all. So yeah, here we go and done. You can see, right? It's really simple, just black and white, and a little bit of silver here and there, and you can see the moon symbol and the golden moon. And here we go, we are done. try reading his comic. It's really good. And if you like my work, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care.